People complain crypto is confusing. Well, I'm here to make it super easy for you to understand. Today, we'll be talking staking, yield farming, centralized exchange, and decentralized exchange, how they work and why they matter. If you still don't know what DeFi is, check my previous video where I broke it down in the simplest way possible for you to understand. Let's dive in. What is staking? Staking means keeping your cryptocurrency locked in a safe place to help the blockchain grow. In return, you earn an extra coin, just like getting a little bonus for saving your money in the bank. Why do people stake? To earn an extra income while still holding their cryptocurrency. Also, to help the blockchain stay secured and run smoothly. All cryptocurrency can be staked, depending on the blockchain and the projects. Risks to know about staking. Sometimes your cryptocurrency is locked for a long time and you can't take it out immediately. Also, cryptocurrency prices go up and down, so reward don't necessarily means profits. What is yield farming? Yield farming is another way of earning extra cryptocurrencies by letting other people use yours. It's just like putting your money in a savings account, but instead of the bank paying you interest, you earn from other people trading crypto. How does yield farming works? You put in two cryptocurrencies into something called a pool. Other people use this pool in trading. Each time they trade, you get a reward. Some platforms even give you bonus tokens too. For an example, on app like Uniswap, you might put in it and USDC together. When people swap between them, you earn fees. The good part about yield farming is that you can make more money than just holding your cryptocurrency. The bad side about yield farming is that the price of cryptocurrency moves a lot. You might end up taking less value of your cryptocurrency when you take them out. Also, some platforms are risky, so always be careful. Centralized exchange versus decentralized exchange. What is a centralized exchange? Centralized exchange is like a crypto shop run by a bank. For an example, you have Coinbase and Binance. You give them your money and they keep your crypto safe for you. It is easy to use, but you don't fully own the keys to your crypto. The company does. What is decentralized exchange? This is like trading directly with people without a shop in the middle. For an example, you have Uniswap, you have PancakeSwap. You connect your wallet, trade instantly, and you are the only one holding your cryptocurrencies. It is more secured, but a bit difficult to use. Let's look at the main difference between centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. In centralized exchange, a company owns and controls your cryptocurrency and your wallet. It's easy to use and usually has a lower fees. In the centralized exchange, only you have the full control over your cryptocurrency and your wallet, but you are responsible for keeping your cryptocurrency and your wallet safe. Fees depends on the network and it takes more time to learn. Remember, cryptocurrency is a journey and not a race. Learn step by step and choose wisely. If you learned something today, smash the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what I should break down next. Stay curious and keep learning.